In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create increments in Microsoft Excel. If you often need to generate a series of numbers, product codes, or any repeating values with a consistent step, Excel makes this process simple and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create increments automatically without having to type each number manually, saving time and avoiding mistakes. Start by opening your Excel workbook and selecting the cell where you want your series to begin. For instance, if you are working with product codes starting at 50, type that number into the first cell. You don't need to start at 1. Excel can handle any starting value you choose. Once the starting value is in place, you can create a formula to define the increment. Click on the cell below your first number and type an equal sign. Then select the first cell as the reference, add a plus sign, and type the increment value you want, such as 1. Press Enter, and Excel will automatically calculate the next number in the series. This formula creates a dynamic relationship so that each new value is based on the previous one plus your chosen increment. After setting up the first increment, you can easily extend the series. Copy the cell containing the formula and paste it into the cells below, or drag the fill handle over the desired range. Excel will continue the pattern, filling each cell with the incremented value according to the formula. This method works for any increment, whether it's 1, 2, or another number, so you can generate consecutive numbers, odd numbers, or other customized sequences. For more control, you can also apply the same approach with different increments for larger steps. Simply change the number you add in the formula, and Excel will continue the series accordingly. This flexibility allows you to create sequences tailored to your data, such as product codes, invoice numbers, or batch IDs, without manually typing every entry. Using this approach ensures consistency, speeds up your workflow, and reduces the chance of errors. It's especially useful when dealing with large data sets, where manual entry would be time-consuming and prone to mistakes. Now you know how to create increments in Excel quickly and efficiently. With just a few steps, you can generate customized series for any purpose. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.